My name is Eva Rocha. I am from Brazil, living in Virginia for a long time now. This work, I created this work in 2018, and it started from an initial conversation of women victims of human trafficking. And it extended to include many other women in a conversation about how issues affecting women and how they are interrelated, from daily discrimination to feminicide, from processes of power for inclusion in jobs, in salary, in art, in anywhere that women could be represented. I call this work Silent Chorus because one, in relation to the human trafficking, is a group that is not seen, as other groups can come together and talk about the issues affecting them. Women that were victims of human trafficking, they are a silent group. And of course, the victims also of feminicide, which cannot, unfortunately, come to speak. I modeled the work after a tragic chorus. In the tragic chorus, especially as composed by Euripides, a group of women would give a voice to a chorus, and they would talk about different personal and collective issues. Each woman is one woman in the chorus, but the entire chorus has a unity of connections that affect them. It means a lot to me to be here in this exhibition, HOMEWARD Triennial. I think for an artist, more than anything, the encounter with a public, with an audience, is very important. For this particular work, it's very, very important, more than any work I have, to be in a dialogue with the public, with an audience, because as in the chorus, as in the theater, one doesn't perform to oneself. In a social issue also, it cannot happen, take place isolated or separate. It has to enter in a social conversation, in a social dialogue. And the Taubman Museum is an excellent venue for doing that. They have this strong capacity to spread one's voice and give a voice for a silent chorus. I'm very thankful for that.